Hey everyone, I'm at Ford Nationals and I ran into this guy that I know from my show, so I thought we would come talk to Deryk and he's going to tell us all about his Mustang.
Well, this is my 2017 Mustang GT. I bought this brand new, my first brand new car I ever had, and it will probably be my only brand new car I ever have. But it is just a base model GT that I decided to do my own touches, put my own touches to it. Yeah, I added the Roush hood scoop and the Scott Drake hood vents that you couldn't see in that. Obviously, I did the painted engine covers, and I did painted fuse box cover, strut tower covers. I did the chin spoiler. This is the Ford Performance Power Pack Stage 2 that I installed on this, which comes with the you install the GT350 throttle body and the air intake and a new computer tune from Ford Performance. I do have an AWE catback exhaust on it. I really like the AWE. I liked it because it was something that not everybody had. Everybody had different brands, but AWE. So I really, really like the sound.
Yes,
that.
it sounds great.
And they were the only ones that had like a YouTube video that really showcased the sound. So I was sold on it right away.
That's awesome. So whenever you're like, I'm gonna buy a brand new Mustang, is there a reason why you chose blue?
Oh, blue's my favorite color, and I loved this shade of blue. This is lightning blue.
Yes, so, it's a beautiful color.
Lightning blue metallic. And I get a lot of compliments on the blue. It is lowered an inch.
Okay.
And I have 1-inch wheel spacers on it to bring the wheels out a little bit, but they are factory wheels. It just kind of set the look off a little bit, made it a little bit more meaner stance, I thought.
Yes,
so
for sure.
I'm happy with that.
That's awesome.
Yes, I do a lot of car shows, of course, at your car shows even, so it's more of a show than a go, I guess, but.
It came here?
Yep.
It sure did. All right, awesome. Well, thank you so much, Deryk.
Thank you.